I'm going to show you how to fix a bifold door where when you unlock the door, it does not open. More likely one of the in bolts became disconnected from the rod, and I'll show you how to fix it right now. Okay, we're on the outside. We're going to go ahead and find the style that has the locking mechanism in it. That's where the handle was. We're going to make sure it's already unlocked. We're going to take a putty knife and we're gently going to position it between the top of the door, because the rod goes up here in this, and we're going to kind of feel for the rod and push it down. And the door will open for you just like that. Obviously, if it's sticking at the bottom or top and bottom, we would do the same thing for the top and bottom. Okay, first we're going to remove this cover plate. Now we're going to remove the in-bolt guide. Okay, I had my partner extend the rod by throwing the hardware. Now we're going to unscrew this. And we're going to take it out. And as you can see, there's a slight gap between here and here. And I'm going to show you how to fix that right now. First, I'm going to go ahead and remove this gently. There is a little horseshoe that's on the end. Okay, there's a little horseshoe you can see here. And we can take this part and we can go ahead and we're going to squeeze it in like that, and we're going to fit it back on here like so. And then we're going to note the orientation of that. And we're going to make sure it's all the way like tight as it can go. And then we're going to tilt it, and we're going to go ahead and take a pair of vice grips, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to squeeze as tight as we can. Okay. I squeeze it as tight as I could with the vice grips, and you can see now there's a indentation there. Now this will never come off again. So we're going to put this back in the door, and we're going to do the same for the bottom rod. Okay, with the hardware still extended, we're going to go ahead and put this rod back in the door, and we're going to tighten it up, and we're going to do it to where the bevel is this way. So when the multi-point hardware is thrown, the door will actually press tighter against the weather stripping. So we're going to check the height of this by having my partner retract the hardware. So we want it to where it just barely sits flush with the top here. So I'm going to go ahead and put the in-bolt guide back in place, and you can see how it just barely sticks up. You want it to barely stick up like that, so when we put this cover plate on, it now sits flush just like that. We are now going to do the same thing to the bottom. I don't think I need to show you the whole process, but we just wanted to point out we're pretty fortunate here because there's nothing underneath the door yet to get underneath the screws. If you have this clearance, great, you can grab the screws and pull it out. If not, you're going to have to remove the entire panel off of the hinges in order to get access. Now we're going to try the door. Obviously, we made sure it's unlocked. We're going to pull it closed. We're going to send the hardware. It locks all the way up. It opens. That's great. Works great. That's all you need to do. Real simple fix. Thanks for watching.